Hey guys, this is PJ on Pocket Tech. Today we are going to see speed test between 11 Pro Max and 8 Pro. If you haven't seen unboxing of 8 Pro or the comparison of 8 Pro versus 11 Pro Max, link in the description below. Before starting the speed test, I just wanted to tell you that iPhone Pro Max has 60Hz refresh rate and 4GB of RAM. But 8 Pro has 120Hz refresh rate and 12GB of RAM. The speed test will be done in 4 rounds. First round would be to open apps which we use regularly on daily basis. Second round will be to open any 5 games. We'll see which device will be ready to play first. Third round will be to check which apps will be running in the background. Fourth round would be to extract a 1080p video from both devices. Now let's get started. Round 1. Now let's turn on both devices simultaneously and see which will rank first. We all know that iPhone 11 Pro is running on iOS 13.4.1 and OnePlus 8 Pro is running on Android with Oxygen OS 10. Wow! 8 Pro turned on in just 20 seconds. I didn't expect this from 8 Pro, but iPhone was turned on in 25 seconds. Let's open phone app on both phones. 11 Pro is quick. Next, Messenger. iPhone 11 Pro Max is quick. Now let's check with Chrome. OnePlus is quick. Let's open camera. 11 Pro is quick. If we open Play Store, OnePlus is quick. Google Maps, OnePlus is quick. Let's check with YouTube. OnePlus is quick. Let me check for TikTok. It's not here. Let me go and search it. TikTok. There you go. Let's open it. OnePlus is quick. Gmail. If we see, OnePlus is quick. Let's open settings. It's a tie. Both open at a time. Let's open calculator. It's a tie again. In round 1, OnePlus 8 Pro is the winner. Round 2. Let's check with Temple Run. Both open simultaneously, but OnePlus is ready to play. Now let's open hill climbing. If you see here, 11 Pro is ready to play. Now let's open Ludo King. If you see on the 11 Pro, it's ready to play. Let's open Asphalt 9. It is the car racing game. Usually it takes some time to load. If you see on the screen, they are both simultaneously at the same place, but you see 11 Pro is ready to play. OnePlus 8 Pro is 2 seconds slow. Now PUBG. You know it is favorite game for so many people I know. If you see on the screen, 11 Pro is ready to play. OnePlus 8 Pro is 2 seconds slow. In the second round, the winner is iPhone 11 Pro Max. Round 3. Let's see which apps are still running in the background. With this, we can see which device is good at optimizing the RAM management. Let's start with the phone app. There is pretty much nothing to refresh in the phone app. They are at the same. Now let's check with Messenger. They are in the same spot. Now let's check Chrome. They are also nothing to refresh. If you see camera, OnePlus has refreshed. Play Store. If you see on the OnePlus, it was refreshed. Next, Google Maps. Nothing has been refreshed. Now let's see YouTube. Nothing has been refreshed. Next, Gmail. Nothing has been refreshed. Now settings. Same spot. Next, calculator. Nothing has been refreshed. Let's see Temple Run. They are also not refreshed. Now let's check with Ludo King. Nothing has been refreshed. Now Asphalt 9. If you see, both are refreshed. Next, PUBG. Nothing has been refreshed. In third round, the winner is iPhone 11 Pro Max. Round 4. Let's edit and export a 1080p video from the both phones. Let's see which comes first. In the iPhone, I am using iMovies, and on 8 Pro, I am using Power Director app because on Android, we don't have any inbuilt apps to edit videos. I have same 1 GB file on both devices. Let's export it now. As soon as I started to export, iPhone is going so quick. iPhone took just 1 minute to export. You can see iPhone is done. But OnePlus 8 Pro took 6 extra minutes to finish the job. In round 4, iPhone 11 Pro Max is the winner. Now let's conclude. Though Apple have 4 GB of RAM, but it's good at software management. And it also comes with A13 Bionic chip, which is good at performance. So it gave a tough fight to OnePlus 8 Pro, which has 12 GB of RAM and a Snapdragon 865G chip. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys like it. Please like, share and subscribe to Pocket Tech and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Stay home, stay safe.